channel. Today we shall discuss about the class variables as well as the instance variables. We have already used them in our previous videos on object-oriented programming, but today within this we shall discuss the concepts and also how to access them. That is, how to access instance variables and how to access class variables. Okay, I'll define a class dog again. Within this, I want to have a variable animal is equals to dog. Okay, now I want to define the init method, that is our constructor init self. We have a parameter self, and I also want another two parameters, breed and color. Okay, self dot breed is equals to breed and self dot color is equals to color. Here we have three variables, right? Firstly, we have an animal variable and breed and color. The animal is called class variable as it belongs to whole class. See, when you point on that, we get class attribute animal of object-oriented programming animal string is equals to dog. That is, it is a class variable. And when we point on breed, it is parameter breed of object-oriented programming breed. Okay, this is an instance variable and this is a class variable. Okay, so variables declared within the class are called class variables, and variables declared within the constructors or within the methods are called instance variables. Okay, now let us see how do we access them. Firstly, I want to create two objects for this class, dog1, dog. Here I want to give the breed bottle and let the color be black. Okay, now I want to give another object of the class dog. This time let it be some bulldog. Okay, and let the color be brown. Okay, we have two objects now. Now to access the methods for two objects, we have to use the object name. Okay, dog1 dot animal. Now I want to print dog2 dot breed, and also here we have access using the object names, right? Dog1 and dog2. We can also access the class variable animal using the class name. Okay, print dog dot animal. Okay, so you can access class variables using class name as well as the object name. Here we have access using the two types. That is, firstly we use dog1, that is the object name, and here we use dog, which is the class name. And also you cannot access the method, I mean the instance variables which are declared inside the constructors or inside the methods using the class name. Okay, you cannot access them using the class name. You can access only using the object name. Okay, so now let us run the program. Yeah, we got dog1 dot animal, which is dog, and dog2 dot breed, dog dot animal. Okay, so these are various methods, that is, you can access using object name and class name. Class variables can be accessed using object name and class name, and instance variables can be accessed only using the instance, that is the object. Okay, so this is about instance variables and class variables. Hope you understand. If you not, please reach me out at the comment section. I'll try to make a better video upon this. Okay, if you have any doubts, reach me out at the comment section. I'm always there to help you. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel to learn Python from beginner stage. Also, I have so many Python program videos to learn Python and to master Python. I mean, to learn Python basics in a better way by understanding the practical examples and by problem solving. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.